friends, this is Mindy from VermisTerra, and today we're diving deep into a super interesting topic, how your plants make secondary metabolites, and things like terpenes, phenolics, antioxidants, alkaloids, and essential oils. And I'm also going to talk about why Vitality Earthworm Castings can help plants produce more of these valuable compounds, while salt fertilizers and immature compost can actually reduce them. Let's dig right in. What are secondary metabolites? Plants produce two main categories of compounds. Primary metabolites. These keep plants alive. Sugars, proteins, amino acids, and cell walls. Two are the secondary metabolites. These are special compounds that plants make when they have enough extra energy and there's good conditions, such as terpenes, which equal aroma and essential oils, phenolics and flavonoids, which equals antioxidants and color, alkaloids, which equals defense chemistry, and anthocyanins, which are reds, purples, and stress protection. Tannins and saponins. These are responsible for the flavor, the smell, and the color. It helps with resistance to pests and disease, and nutritional and medicinal qualities. So when growers talk about terpene profiles, antioxidant-rich plants, better taste, or higher potency, they are talking about secondary metabolites. To make these complex secondary metabolites, plants need a steady, balanced nutrient, not a spike of NPK, but a slow, stable supply. They need strong roots and rapid nutrient uptake. They need good microbes in the rhizosphere, and these microbes actually activate many immune pathways related to terpene and phenolic production. They also want low salt stress because salt stress shuts down advanced metabolism. Plants want balanced hormones like auxins, cytokinins, gibberellins that are all naturally present in high-quality worm castings. Lastly, plants want energy. Plants need excess energy to build complex molecules. This is where Vitality really shines compared to salts or immature compost. Vitality is unique because the nutrients are nano-sized and pre-digested by earthworms. The nanoparticles means they're immediately absorbed, and the plant can spend almost zero energy breaking nutrients down. The energy saved means more energy available to build terpenes, phenolics, and alkaloids, as well as antioxidants. 2. Organic acids and natural enzymes means better nutrient chelation. Vitality is rich in organic acids. There's enzymes, natural plant hormones, and a carbon structure similar to humic and fulvic acids. These help unlock micronutrients like iron, manganese, zinc, and copper. These are the micronutrients required for enzymes that make terpenes, phenolics, alkaloids, and flavonoids. So the plant's metabolic factory turns on more easily. Vitality also boosts beneficial microbes. Healthy microbes stimulate plant immunity, the SAR and ISR. They release plant hormones and they help convert nutrients. They also encourage plants to produce antioxidants, and plant microbe communication directly increases secondary metabolite production. Vitality is extremely low in salts. The low salt means there's no root burn, no osmotic stress, and no ammonia, no microbes killed. So a relaxed, well-fed plant can invest in quality, not just survival. Vitality stabilizes the root zone. Earthworm casting compounds improve cation exchange capacity. It helps with the soil structure, water retention, and oxygen flow. This creates the perfect environment for high-performance metabolism. Okay, so you say, well, why do salt and immature compost, what's the problem with that? They actually block metabolite production. Synthetic fertilizers and unfinished compost have the opposite effect of earthworm castings. 1, when there's too much nitrogen, it dilutes the flavor and reduces terpenes. 2, high nitrate levels push plants to grow fast and watery. This suppresses pathways that produce terpenes, phenolics, and antioxidants. This is why conventionally grown produce often tastes bland. 2, salt stress. Salts make roots work harder to push ions out, and plant has to spend more energy on osmoregulation, detoxifying salts, repairing root damage. This energy spent on stress means energy not spent on antioxidants and oils. 3. Salt fertilizers kill beneficial microbes. Without these microbes, immune pathways are weaker. Metabolite triggering signals disappear. 4. Immature compost steals oxygen and nitrogen. Decomposing organic matter competes with plants for oxygen, nitrogen, and sometimes even carbon. It creates a stress compound, and these actually suppress metabolism and reduce quality. Vitality helps plants make more secondary metabolites because it gives them nanonutrients, organic acids, enzymes, and natural plant hormones. It also has beneficial microbes and steady minerals and low salt. It balances the energy for the plant. The plant is calm, supported, and full of resources, so it naturally can make more color, aroma, flavor, antioxidants, oils, and immune compounds. Salt fertilizers and immature compost create stress, burn, imbalance, and microbial collapse, making it harder for plants to produce these valuable compounds. So if you want healthier plants and higher quality, Vitality is one of the most powerful tools you can add. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for more Soil Geek science videos. See you next time!